Hi children, how are you all? I hope all are doing well. I'm Sri Lakshmi, your English teacher. Children, today we are going to learn a simple topic, okay? That is diary entry. What is that? Diary entry. Okay? So, what is a diary entry? So usually you people will have diaries in schools, right? So in which you will be writing all the subjects of all the homeworks of the all subjects, right? That is the diary usually you will have. Okay, and what else will be there? Would be there in the diary? All the timetables will be given, all the this one are it will be organized very well with the all the activities and which are the holidays, about the holidays and all, and what are the exams you are having, and when is the exam going to be conducted. Everything will be there in the diary. And we have one more type of diaries are there, in which all the personal data will be noted. Okay, that is a diary. Diary means which we write about our personal things. That means we can write about our thoughts, we can write about our feelings, we can write about our opinions, whatever the things you will feel specially. Okay, those all things will be, we will to maintain all those things, we will maintain the diary, to write down, to note down all the, to all those things. We will maintain a diary. That is a diary entry. It is a section of writing that has been organized by date. Okay, it is a section of diary. It is a section of writing that has been organized by date. Okay, the entries within your diary are how you organize the thoughts, feelings and opinions. Okay, you are pouring opinions, you are pouring it into it. Okay, it begins with date, usually written in the top right and top right hand corner. Okay, so for other writing skills, as we learned in the previous sessions, for other all the message we have learned, okay, notice we have learned, step by step process we have learned, formal letters learned, informal letters learned. All these, for all these are come under writing skills. Okay, we all these things improve our writing skills. Diary entry also improve our writing skills. But for all other writing skills we need a format. Okay, we need a format, whereas diary entry will not have any format, because all the personal things you will note down in the diary entry. Okay, so like all other things, we need not maintain any format for this. Usually what we will do when we write a diary, we will write a day. That means which day, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday or something like that. Okay, and after that you will write date. Okay, whatever the format might be, usually 26th January, 30th June, like that. Okay, and after that we will note down the time. Okay, when we write the diary, when will we write the diary? Usually in the end of the day we will write the diary, in the end of the day. So usually when we note down the time, PM will be coming there, no AM. We will not write, most of the 99% diary entries will not be taken in the morning. Okay, because we have to, we want to we want to maintain all the activities, and whatever we want to write in the diary, we will write in the end of the day. That's why. Okay, so when we write the time, usually we will put the PM only. Okay, next after that, usually salutation will come. What is the salutation here? That means if you want to share the things to your friends. Salutation will come here. If you want to share the things to your friends, for that you will write a diary. Okay, because in these busy days we will forget all the things, if we should remember all the things, right? So we should not, we don't want to forget the things, so that we will maintain a diary. Then we can tell our feelings, we can share our feelings with our friends or something else. Okay, so dear diary will be coming here, that's it usually. But we don't need to write, but this is the format which we are follow to when we write, maintain a diary. After that, body will be coming here. Okay, body of the diary entry. In the body of the diary, what you will write, you will not write all those things which you done in the from morning to evening, because only special things, only whatever the things, if it is a sad thing or if it is a happy thing, you will note down only those things with which you have felt happy or sad. Okay, special things, only special things you will be noted in the diary. It's not like okay, I woke up early in the morning, I brushed my teeth, I took my bath, I finished my snacks, and after that I came to school. It's not like, okay, whatever the things you will write in the diary are those things which are special to you. Only note down, you will note down only the special things. Okay, all those special things will come here in the body. After that, when you complete the diary, you will write your signature. Okay, signature. Usually this is the format, we follow for a diary entry. So for example, if you are if there is any new friend joined to your school, okay, and if you are else, if you want to share your friend, a new friend of your a new friend, how she has very helpful to you, then you can write down. Okay, I'll show you one example now. See here, let us make a diary entry in about 20 words expressing your feelings when a new friend of yours has been very helpful to you. You can make use of the model. Okay, so it is day Thursday, date 27th January, and time 5 p.m. That means you have completed the day almost. Okay, today I am very happy. It can be called a red letter day in my life. Today there was a debate. All the sections of my class participated. I won the first position. I am really very happy. Mama and Papa are simply delighted. My teacher who prepared the topic for the debate pated me. I owe my school, I owe my success to my teachers and parents. My classmates spoke high of me. I will give them a treat tomorrow. So this is how you will write only the highlights. See here in this diary entry, the girl which is written, who has written this, girl or boy, they have mentioned the highlighted things. That means the particular things only, special things only in this diary note. So like that you will be asking a question by giving a question to write a diary entry in the exam. So what you have to do, you have to mention the day, the date, and after that time should be come in. All these things you have to put it in a square box. Okay, see here in this example, all the diary note has kept in a square box. So that is the main thing you have to follow. Okay, next after writing the time, you have to mention whether it is PM. Usually we write in the PM only, by the end of the day only. Okay, so there is no such format to write the body of the letter. That means you can write the things which had happened later, and you in the first, and you can write whatever the things had happened in the beginning of the school. That things you can write it in the last also. That means you can write it either vice versa. Okay, so there is no such format to write first or second things. Only first thing you should write the, it's not like you should write the things which had happened first and you have to write those things which had happened in the last. Okay, you can write vice versa also. So what you have to do is you have to put all the diary note in a square box, and later in the end of the diary note you have to give your name. Okay, so this is the format which we follow for a diary note. I hope you understood the content, and let us meet in the next session. Okay, till then, bye bye.